Welcome from Kodaikanal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the view from our hotel is somewhat like this. This is the valley and the mountain view. So today we will be going for sightseeing and we are ready. So we just have to get onto our bikes and move. So in Tamil Nadu it is only compulsory for one person to wear a helmet. So I'll be wearing the helmet and I'll show you all the trick that we have used this time. Because we don't want to carry the helmet every place we go. So yeah, but I just loved the view from here. And last night it was 11 degrees by the time we reached back to our hotel, and like I was freezing cold, my hands were numb. I came in, there is a blower in the room, so I kept my fingers under that, but the cold was really too much yesterday. Even now it's cold because but the moment you enter this thing under the sun, you don't feel that cold. If I go to the shade, it will be very cold. Right now we are going for the valley tour. There are two tours here. One is village tour and one is valley tour. So we are going for the valley one. That is where the Guna caves and all are. So it will be a repeat video for my previous subscribers, but for the new ones it will be the first time that you all will be seeing this in my videos. So I'll show you all, and my girlfriend has also not seen it. So without wasting time, we'll just get going now. My bike is here and we are ready to leave. So this time what we have done is, the thing that I was telling you is, we will be carrying this top box, and since this is a 40-liter one, my helmet goes easily into it. And this is one good thing that we will be doing, is that we don't have to carry a helmet everywhere we go, and we just have to put it in this, and this is pretty safe. There will be no problem with this, and it aligns with the bike also. If you see, it has the exact length, the width of the handle, so maneuvering the bike in traffic is also very easy with this, because we have removed the panniers. So yeah, I'll just get ready and then we'll move. I'm not sure where we are going to first, but we will decide that on the way. We were on the way to Pillar Rocks and we wanted to have breakfast. So here we have puri bhaji, but in their language they call this buri bhaji. So when we came here, they said buri bhaji. I'm like, is it spoiled bhaji or something like that? And then we showed me the puri, and then I came to know that it is puri bhaji. So both me and my girl are having puri bhaji only.
A few minutes later,
we are done with our breakfast here, and they don't have tea and coffee here. So for that, there is a distinct shop right there. So yeah, so here we'll go here and check what they have. So since we did not like the breakfast there that much, we came here to have tea, and we got some cookies. So we are come to Pillar Rocks, and they are right there. But there's so much of rush over here. But still, we'll try to go in. I think some school excursion is come, so because of that all this rushes. So here we are at the Pillar Rocks, and these two are the Pillar Rocks. There's a lot of rush over here right now, and it being season for them. So, we'll click some photos and then we'll move from here. We don't want to stay in such a lot of rush. So we could just see them and we wanted to click photos, and you see they just disappeared. The clouds are coming and it looks so good to see the clouds like this. We came out from that rush and we are now come to have potato chips, french fries and twisters, but we are not choosing twisters this time, but we'll have french fries, because twisters are a bit difficult to eat and this is very easy. So he's frying them. You just see how the clouds are coming in here, and like just few seconds ago it was very clear, and now all of a sudden there are full clouds that are coming in. And here comes our french fries, and from there now we are come to Guna caves. So the main entrance looks like this, and they have improved a lot of things here. Like when we came a few days back, it wasn't like this. So we have to walk for like 5-10 minutes and then we will reach the Guna cave. So right now we are walking through the pine forest, and we have to walk for another 2-3 minutes to reach Guna cave. And here we are finally at Guna caves. So these are the routes, the famous Instagrammable routes, and the caves are over there. So we'll go to the caves first, and then if we get empty space here, we'll click pictures over here. So right now we are standing on the caves, but you know there are a lot of plants that are overgrown. I just tried to show you all. So these are all the caves. I'll see if we get a better view at it. So you can see them here much better, and this is at least not that deep. So we'll check. So you can see how deep they go, and it is like a chain of caves. It is not that it is just here and it will open somewhere else. So it's more of like a chain. So even this side, if you see, they are like gaps within the rocks, and they are, I don't know how they are also, but it is somewhat like that only. We were just come to the pine forest, and you see how smart this monkey is. He's opening the bags and all and checking on the bikes. So now he's come on my bike. God knows what he's searching. There's nothing in this bag or not the other one, but there are a lot of things in this, but this thing is locked. You see how he's searching for things over there, and he's very smart. So he's come off my bike. He's there. You look how terrifying they look. So here's the ticket counter, and everywhere it's 10. So 10 for me, 10 for Joshua, and they have written Tamil. Okay. So this is one bad thing. First of all, they give 10, and then they don't have change. So it's like 10 change we have to roam with. So we have entered the pine forest, and there are horses here. I think we can sit on them and take photos. Or I don't know if they have a ride also. This place is a bit crowded, overcrowded actually. So it is very difficult for you to get a simple photo also without people in the background. And we are done clicking pictures. We clicked quite a few pictures. You all must have seen in the previous shots. And now we are going to have lunch. So the time right now is 2:30, and we are feeling pretty hungry. And so at least now the rush is like gone less. We clicked photos right over there on top, and because this side it's overcrowded. We'll just move from here and we'll go to have lunch. These monkeys are very chalu and chaotic. I get really scared of them. You cannot predict their behavior. They'll do anything. They'll throw a stone, anything. They'll grab something from your hand anytime. So I get a bit scared. So this monkey is not done exploring my bike. He's still sitting on the bike here. It's gone now. So right now we are come to the Kodaikanal main city, and we ordered biryani, and this is mint lime water. This tastes very good. Actually, this is not actual biryani. This is just like normal pulao what we get in Goa. But since we are coming and we don't have any option, we'll have it, and that's it. So we'll have it now, and then I'll tell you the plan for next. So we were just walking on the streets here of Kodaikanal near the lake, and my girlfriend saw some. This is what? Chaat?
Chana chaat.
This is chana chaat.
Oh, peanut chaat.
Okay, so this is peanut chaat. These are the peanuts. So we will be having this. Actually, I am full. I don't need anything to eat. Maybe for the next 2 hours. But we are going to Clockers Walk. It's like a beautiful walking space. So we'll go over there, and I'll show you all the scenic views as well. So we'll go there, and for time pass to eat over there, we bought this. We are come to this road where we have to walk in high altitude. Whenever you try walking fast, or you try to do something bit of a task like jumping or anything or running, the breath, you get a short on breath very soon as compared to like any other thing. So we just walked from behind for 1-2 minutes, like we are tired, and she's like, go slow, go slow, go slow.
I'm already tired, and look at those ladies, old ladies.
So there are people walking in front. And it on the camera at least it won't look that much of a slope, but it is quite a lot. So after that is Clockers Walk, and I'm already short on breath.
2,000 years later.
And we are come to this church over here, so we'll be visiting the church as well. And Clockers Walk is here, so we'll first go to the church and then we'll go to the Clockers Walk. Now we are come to Clockers Walk, and so these are the stalls here. Last time when we came we got a really good view, but this time it's full clouds that are coming. Maybe the landscape here changes quite often, and in no time. So maybe by the time we walk in front, the clouds might go. We'll walk in positive hope so that we can get a view of the valley. It was not even 1 minute that we started walking. Yes, and we wanted passion fruit. Let's take a taste. Amazing. We took Goa also, and this is with the masala. We did not taste this, but this is really good. Yet again, after another 15 minutes, we are here to have raw mangoes. I don't know what it is with us. We see food, we feel like eating it, and
Thank you.
we will try this thing as well. The guavas were not that great, but we had it anyhow. But we wanted to have this thing, raw mangoes, when we went to Velankani, and it was left pending till then, so we thought of having it right now. So we just finished the raw mangoes, and I'll tell you, it was so spicy, but we really enjoyed it. It was good, but extremely spicy. We have just come near the lake and we saw sweet corns. So while boating, we thought that we'll have something while boating. So we are come to take this thing, sweet corn. So we'll take it and then we'll have it while we are boating. So we thought of doing paddle boats. So my girl is already ready for that, and I'll also have one. So we are ready. Let's go. So we are on the bank of the lake, and we are just waiting for some people to come with the boats so that we can go. We are all ready here. Where's my girl? Oh, here she is. So let our boat come and then we'll go. I don't see any two-seaters coming. This is also a 4, and they are just gone. We'll wait for some time. So they have given us a new boat that was in stock. Okay. So we are just paddling. We'll go for 10 minutes and then come back because we have another crazy plan. So for that, I'll tell you once we reach over there. And we are doing the hard work here.
Look at me, my stomach. My stomach is hurting.
So I paddled for around 5 minutes, and then my girl wanted to try to paddle. But no matter what she does here, the hogging should continue.
I need energy for that.
Even I did the same thing. I was paddling one side and eating one side. But they did not put butter in it, so we did not like it that much. We are back, and my girl is coming. Dur. 1, 2, 3, let's go. So we are done with the paddling boat, and now we are come to try double cycles. So we'll take a try at this as well, and let's see how it goes. So there's no one to take a video of us, so I don't know how we'll manage with that, but somehow we'll try to. So we have started our ride, and here we are. Look at my baby girl. Hey, tell Kolaga Poda Davi. 1 minute. How do you feel? So that was our time on the cycle, and we really enjoyed it. So now we are going to have churros, I think. Churros, no? Okay, we are going to have churros. It is so much fun. I do not think it would be so enjoyable and entertaining. Initially I said no, but then she was like, let's go. And we enjoyed it so much. and here are our churros. They look really good. Meaning last time we had them and they were really good. So this time also I told my baby girl that we'll have. The churros were really good, and now we are going to a bike. So we are going to a unique place that's pet handling, a wild animal handling actually. So we'll see if it's open now, and it will take us like 2-3 minutes to reach over there. So let's see how it goes. We come to Petflix. Per head the entry is 300 for adults, and my girl is getting scared to touch the pets. She has a pet fear. She does not even like touching dogs. She will look at them from far. She will put food and do everything, but she will not touch. So how do you feel that you're going to touch the pets?
I'm going to do Khatron Ke Khiladi, so I'm very nervous.
Even the first time when I went, I was nervous, but second time it's okay. My girl is scared just looking at a kitten over here, and I wonder what she'll do after looking at the rabbits and snakes and all inside. How do you feel now? So here are the pets. This one is hedgehog. Okay.
Hey, चुकल उडे ना का?
Hey cutie boy, hey cutie boy. Soka हाथ लाई, gently लाई, gently लाई. Gently लाई. Soka? Ah, okay. So it is this one's food time. So if I go to catch it, he will bite at me, right?
Yeah, that time they are aggressive, and right now also they doesn't want like anyone touch them.
Oh, okay, fine. Okay. This is one full family of guinea pigs. You want to touch? You want to touch? No.
कापूस याचं हे ना ना ना.
We are come to the bird section now. Oh, look at this hen. Look at this one. What type of hen this is called?
Those are silky Chinese hens.
Silky hens. Okay. And these are all the birds here. And now we are come to the bird section.
Open your head.
So here are the birds, and this guy is after my ear. No. Right, that is not food. This is not food. Go. 3, 2, 1. Yes, finally! A bird on my girl's head. Here, look here. Look here. Chill. Chill, okay. So my girl was extremely scared, but a new experience for her. Oi. When I came, he was so small, and you see how fast he's grown now. This is the
Ball python.
ball python. Okay. So we'll touch him, and there's one more there. Okay, but this one will touch him. So it feels a bit different holding a snake in the hand, and that too a python. So this is a ball python, but the feeling is really good. Bit scared, but okay. And last time when I came, it was very small, but you see now. How long do they grow?
They can grow more than 7 feet.
7 feet. Okay. So my girl does not want to catch it.
Face this side.
Yeah.
Holding the face open.
Okay. So, but I just told her to touch at least. No, I just want to. Boroko, gently yasko atlai. Okay. So now we are with the big birds.
Hi.
They talk? Oh, okay. They talk also. It's him. One is on my shoulder now. He won't bite, na?
No, he just wants to chew that.
Okay. Okay. Give her the bite on this. Just on the shoulder. Yeah. Chill. Okay. So we have Salpa on my girl's shoulder. Yes, Na to tega aata. Okay. So we have Shasha only now. What exactly was her name?
Macau.
Macau. Okay. And what was that one?
That is cockatoo. Right?
Okay, cockatoo. He won't bite, no?
No. He just wants to do fly.
Oh, okay.
Shasha will do.
Okay. Get one photo when he's looking at you. She's so scared, but she's very brave. I think I should have run out of here, but I'm proud of my girl. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to keep one bird on me, one bird on her, and click a picture. Okay, so Sulfur, this one's Sulfur, right?
Sulfur.
Sulfur is on me, Shasha is on her, Sulfur is behind my t-shirt. So our tour here is done, and it's my girl's safe zone right now, and we enjoyed really. Guys, thank you. So okay, we'll leave now.